Hey everyone, welcome back to Tesla Daily. Today is March 22nd, 2026. We've got an exciting lineup for you. First up, let's talk about Tesla's energy innovations. They're really making waves in the industry, and it's impressive to see how far we've come. Next, we'll dive into the production of the Tesla Semi. This is a big step for the company, and we can't wait to see how it impacts the market. Then, we'll explore some of the latest in Tesla's AI developments. While there are challenges, it's fascinating to see how they're pushing the boundaries. We'll also look ahead at the future of AI and robotics at Tesla. There's so much potential here, and it's exciting to think about what's next. And of course, we can't forget about Elon Musk's unveiling of the Terafab project. This could change the game for energy production. So stick around as we unpack all these updates and more. We are excited to announce that Tesla's long-delayed electric Semi is set to enter mass production this summer at the Nevada Gigafactory, marking a significant milestone for the company and the heavy-duty trucking sector. After nearly a decade of anticipation, early drivers have begun to share their experiences, revealing a transformative potential for electric vehicles, EVs, and freight transport. Dakota Shearer, a driver with IMC Logistics, recently highlighted the advantages of the Tesla Semi during a pilot program in California. He noted, "It's like I'd never done it in the first place, after successfully maneuvering the truck in a tight spot," showcasing the vehicle's advanced technology and design. This feedback reflects a growing optimism among those who have experienced the Semi firsthand. According to a report from Tigris Financial Partners, Tesla is projected to deliver between 5,000 and 15,000 semis in 2026, with plans to ramp up annual production to 50,000 trucks. This comes at a time when the trucking industry is grappling with a cooling demand for battery-powered vehicles, compounded by rising labor costs and tariff uncertainties. The recent rollback of federal EV subsidies has also added to the industry's caution regarding capital expenditures. Despite these challenges, the Semi boasts impressive specifications that could sway fleet owners. Tesla claims the truck can travel up to 500 miles on a single charge, significantly enhancing operational efficiency for companies like King Theo Trucking, which has already ordered 20 semis. CEO Jenny Abarca expressed optimism, stating that the Semi's range would allow for multiple daily trips, transforming their logistics capabilities. While the Semi's price remains undisclosed, sources indicate it is priced under $300,000, roughly double that of a comparable diesel truck, but competitive against other electric options. Proponents argue that lower maintenance costs could offset the initial investment, as electric powertrains require less servicing than traditional diesel engines. However, industry experts urge caution. Robert Braswell of the American Trucking Associations warns that high-voltage systems will necessitate a new skill set for technicians, and the current charging infrastructure may not yet support long-haul operations at scale. Tesla has outlined plans for high-power charging sites along key freight corridors, but these facilities are still in development. In conclusion, while the Tesla Semi's entry into mass production is a significant step forward, the road ahead will require navigating industry skepticism and infrastructure challenges. As we look to the future, the success of the Semi will depend on its ability to prove itself in real-world conditions and the establishment of a supportive charging network. Now let's shift to the next story. In a surprising turn of events, we find that the electric vehicle EV market is experiencing a significant downturn, with used Tesla prices dropping below $20,000 for the Model 3, according to Carvana. This decline is indicative of broader struggles within the EV sector, as major manufacturers like Ford and GM have announced substantial write-downs on their EV investments, totaling billions. The Biden administration's push for 50% of new car sales to be EVs by 2030 is now overshadowed by the reality of declining demand and the end of government incentives, which previously provided up to $7,500 per vehicle. In January 2026, Tesla announced the discontinuation of its iconic Model S and Model X to pivot towards the production of, here's the next update you should know. Tesla is at the forefront of innovation in the automotive and AI sectors, with significant developments on the horizon. CEO Elon Musk recently announced that the design for the next-generation AI 6 chip is expected to reach the tape-out stage by December 2024. This chip will leverage AI-accelerated development tools and is part of Tesla's strategic pivot towards in-house silicon production, following the cancellation of the Dojo supercomputer program in August 2025. Notably, Tesla has secured a substantial $16.5 billion 8-year contract with Samsung to anchor AI6 production, which is set to begin at Samsung's Texas foundry in the latter half of 2027. However, as we celebrate these advancements, we must also acknowledge the regulatory pressures that Tesla faces. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, has issued warnings to 97 automotive groups, including Tesla, regarding deceptive pricing practices. This initiative aims to ensure that advertised vehicle prices reflect the total cost, including all mandatory fees, to protect consumers from misleading tactics. The FTC's focus on transparency in vehicle pricing could impact Tesla's sales strategies, especially as it navigates the complexities of the automotive market. In addition to regulatory scrutiny, Tesla continues to invest heavily in its AI capabilities, allocating $20 billion in capital expenditure for 2026 to support its ambitious physical AI pivot. This includes the development of the Terafab in-house fabrication project, which aims to internalize Tesla's entire chip supply chain with a target of producing 100,000 wafers per month at a 2-nanometer production facility. As we look to the future, Tesla's commitment to innovation remains strong, but the path forward is fraught with challenges. The company's ability to adapt to regulatory demands while maintaining its competitive edge in AI and robotics will be crucial. As Musk noted, we are transitioning from a car company to a software and AI powerhouse. The long-term outlook hinges on how effectively Tesla can balance these dual pressures of innovation and compliance. Now let's shift to the next story. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, Tesla is at the forefront of the AI and robotics revolution, with significant implications for its future. Elon Musk recently expressed his belief that while China may ultimately win the AI race, the US is not out of the competition yet. This sentiment reflects the high-stakes environment in which Tesla operates, particularly as it transitions from a traditional car manufacturer to a leader in software and AI solutions. Tesla's advancements in automation and artificial intelligence are pivotal to its strategy. The company is not only enhancing its full self-driving FSD capabilities, but also developing its proprietary AI hardware, such as the Dojo supercomputer, which is designed to train its neural networks more efficiently. This shift towards AI-driven solutions positions Tesla as a software-as-a-service provider, potentially unlocking new revenue streams beyond vehicle sales. Musk's comments highlight the geopolitical implications of AI development, particularly with the US and China vying for dominance. Currently holds an advantage in AI hardware, primarily due to NVIDIA's 85% market share in AI chips. However, the race is intensifying, with Chinese companies rapidly advancing their capabilities, particularly in open-source AI models that could challenge US firms. As we look to the future, the integration of robotics into Tesla's operations is also a key focus. The company's Optimus robot project aims to leverage its AI technology to create humanoid robots that could revolutionize labor in factories and beyond. This initiative not only reflects Tesla's commitment to innovation, but also signifies a potential shift in how industries operate, with robotics becoming a primary driver of Tesla's market cap. In conclusion, while the competition in AI and robotics is fierce, Tesla's strategic investments in these areas could yield significant long-term benefits. As Musk stated, the future is about who controls the most capable systems. With Tesla's ongoing advancements, we remain optimistic about its position in this critical race, even as challenges loom on the horizon. Here's the next update you should know. In a groundbreaking announcement, Elon Musk unveiled the Terafab project, a joint venture between Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI, aimed at establishing a massive chip manufacturing facility in Austin, Texas. With an estimated cost of $20 to $25 billion, this ambitious initiative seeks to produce up to 1 terawatt of computing power annually, a scale that Musk claims has never been achieved before. During the launch event, Musk described Terafab as the most epic chip-building exercise in history by far. The facility will consolidate all stages of semiconductor production, including design, fabrication, and testing, under one roof, with plans to produce two types of chips, one for Tesla's autonomous vehicles and humanoid robots, and another, dubbed D3, specifically for space-based AI applications. Musk emphasized the necessity of this project, stating, "We either build the Terafab or we don't have the chips. And we need the chips, so we build the Terafab." He highlighted that current semiconductor manufacturers cannot meet the growing demand for chips needed for AI and robotics, which is crucial for Tesla's future projects, including the Optimus humanoid robot and the Cybercab robotaxi program. The Terafab facility is projected to produce between 100 and 200 billion custom AI and memory chips per year, with initial production expected to start in 2026. Musk's vision extends beyond Earth, proposing that 80% of the facility's output will support space-based AI satellites, leveraging solar energy to reduce operational costs. However, the scale and ambition of the Terafab project have raised eyebrows, with critics questioning the feasibility of such a massive undertaking. Musk acknowledged the challenges, stating, "There's a maximum rate at which current suppliers are comfortable expanding. That rate is much less than we would like. As we look to the future, the Terafab project represents a significant pivot for Tesla, positioning it as a key player in the semiconductor industry, while also aiming to fulfill Musk's grand vision of a galactic civilization. The long-term success of this initiative will depend on overcoming substantial technical and logistical hurdles. But if successful, it could redefine the landscape of AI and robotics manufacturing for years to come." Next up, another key development. In a bold move to secure its future in artificial intelligence and robotics, Elon Musk has announced the launch of the Terafab project, a semiconductor manufacturing facility to be built in Austin, Texas. This initiative aims to internalize chip production for Tesla and SpaceX, addressing the growing demand for advanced computing power. Musk emphasized that current chip manufacturers are unable to meet the aggressive scaling requirements of his companies, stating, "That rate is much less than we'd like. We either build the Terafab or we don't have the chips, and we need the chips, so we build the Terafab." The Terafab project is designed to produce high-specification 2-nanometer chips, with an ambitious target of supporting up to a terawatt of. Next up, another key development. In an exciting development for Tesla's energy and infrastructure sector, we see how innovative solutions like the Tesla Powerwall and solar panels are not only enhancing energy resilience, but also significantly reducing costs for homeowners. A recent story from a North Carolina resident, Colin, showcases how he acquired a Tesla Powerwall 3 for free through a utility company rebate, allowing him to store solar energy and support the local grid. He stated, "You need to be looking for what your power company offers as far as rebates go." This highlights the growing trend of utility companies incentivizing renewable energy solutions to bolster grid stability, especially as extreme weather events become more frequent. Moreover, another Tesla owner shared their astonishing electricity bill, revealing they paid just $2.37 over the past year, thanks to their solar panels and Powerwall. This homeowner's experience underscores the financial benefits of integrating Tesla's energy products into daily life, as they can provide backup power for 4 to 5 hours during outages. Tesla's Powerwall not only offers energy storage, but also comes equipped with smart controls and energy monitoring via the Tesla app, making it a powerful tool for energy management. The increasing adoption of solar technology and battery storage is crucial, as the Environmental Protection Agency noted that 60% of U.S. electricity is still generated from fossil fuels, contributing to climate change. By utilizing solar energy, homeowners can significantly reduce their carbon footprint while enjoying lower energy bills. As Colin's case illustrates, the combination of solar panels and battery storage can lead to substantial savings and energy independence. As we look to the future, the integration of Tesla's energy solutions is poised to grow, driven by both consumer demand for sustainable energy and utility incentives. This trend not only positions Tesla as a leader in the energy sector, but also aligns with global efforts to transition towards cleaner energy sources. With continued advancements in technology and increasing support from utility companies, we expect Tesla's energy products to play a pivotal role in reshaping how we consume and manage energy in our homes. We are witnessing a significant development in Tesla's energy sector as the company engages in late-stage discussions to acquire solar manufacturing equipment worth approximately $2.9 billion from Chinese suppliers. This ambitious move aligns with Elon Musk's goal to establish 100 gigawatts of solar manufacturing capacity in the United States by 2028. The equipment under negotiation is crucial for producing solar cells and panels domestically, with some shipments expected to arrive as early as this autumn. Among the potential suppliers is Suzhou Maxwell Technologies, renowned for its screen printing systems used in solar cell production. Other contenders include Shenzhen SC New Energy Technology and Laplace Renewable Energy Technology. However, the deal is not without its complexities. A portion of the order estimated. Next up, another key development. In a recent turn of events, Elon Musk has drawn attention to a custody battle involving a father in Iceland, Alexander Rocha, who lost parental rights over his autistic son after opposing the child's gender transition. Rocha claims that the court favored progressive ideologies over parental rights, stating it should be a crime. "You are molesting kids, castrating a boy, like in the case of my kid." This case has ignited a global conversation about parental rights and the medical decisions affecting children. Rocha's story has resonated with many, including Musk, who commented on social media, "The woke mind virus even affects Iceland." This statement has been interpreted as a critique of the prevailing cultural attitudes towards gender identity. And now let's shift to the next story. Tesla is currently facing significant scrutiny due to two lawsuits that highlight serious concerns regarding the design of its door handles and electronic door systems. The first lawsuit, filed by a 2023 Model S owner, claims that the retractable door handles may fail to extend during emergencies, potentially trapping occupants inside the vehicle. The plaintiff argues that this defect not only poses safety risks, but also negatively impacts the car's resale value. They seek compensation and demand either a redesign or a public disclosure of the issue. This lawsuit underscores the growing tension in the market as safety concerns about Tesla's innovative designs come to the forefront. In a more tragic case, Jordan Miller, the sole survivor of a fiery accident, has become a key figure in the legal battle. Here's the next update you should know. Tesla Inc. is currently facing significant scrutiny following a tragic incident linked to a former employee, Niaga Diagne, who was identified as the suspect in a recent mass shooting in Austin, Texas. This situation has raised serious questions about the company's commitment to employee safety and transparency. Lillian Brady, a Tesla worker who alleges she was assaulted by Diag months prior, has filed a lawsuit against the company, claiming it failed to provide a safe work environment and withheld crucial information about her assailant. Brady expressed her concerns, stating if they were to release the name or arrest him on the spot, because we had deputies outside, maybe all this could have been avoided. That wraps up our update for today. Thank you for tuning in to Tesla Daily Insights. We appreciate your support and interest in everything Tesla. We'll catch up again in the next update. Until then, take care.